Today's topic is les prépositions. We have already done prepositions in class 9, very common prepositions like sur, sous, dans, dor. So today I have taken some preposition which you might not have seen. Some new prepositions I have taken. So let us just go through these prepositions and revise them. Okay. First preposition I have taken is à cause de. Okay. À cause de is due to or because of. Basically till now you know the word parce que for the reason, right? But after parce que we have to use a subject most of the times. Okay, for example we say il est malade, il ne va pas à l'école parce que il est malade, because he is not well. So after parce que I have used il, the subject, right? But here after à cause de I am required to use a noun. Okay, so à cause, for example I've taken this example. Just see, à cause de la pluie je ne peux pas sortir. Due to the rain I cannot go out. So à cause de means due to, and after à cause de if you see I have used la pluie. This is the noun, the rain. Okay, so à cause de la pluie je ne peux pas sortir. Similarly, there is another preposition which is used in the similar manner. The second one I have taken, en raison de. It is the same thing which we have used for à cause de. It means due to or because of. I have taken another example to explain this. En raison de. En raison du, for example, en raison du mauvais temps, nous avons annulé. Annulé we have seen to cancel. Okay. Nous avons annulé notre picnic. Okay, due to the bad weather, mauvais temps is the bad weather, due to or because of the bad weather we have cancelled our picnic. Okay, so en raison de and à cause de, they are used in the similar manner. Any of these you can use for the reasoning, right? And then next one I have taken this quanta. Okay, next is quanta, Q-U-A-N-T, quanta. It means as for or regarding or in regard to. Okay, you will understand with this example. Okay, it means, for example, elle aime cette robe rouge, mais quant à moi la robe noire est très belle. What does it mean? She likes this red dress, but quant à moi is but as for me, or you can say that as far as I am concerned or regarding me, la robe noire est très belle, the black dress is very beautiful. So you here basically you are giving what you are giving your opinion. What do you think about the same as for me? So if you see after quant a I have used this pronotonic, so you can use pronotonic after quant a. Okay, again I am repeating the sentence, elle aime cette robe rouge mais quant à moi, but for me la robe noire est très belle, the black dress is very beautiful. Okay, so in the similar manner quant à, there are some other preposition also which can be used in the similar sense sometimes, like this is à propos de. À propos de, à propos, you have read this word à propos in your first chapter, in second chapter. À propos alone means by the way, but à propos de means concerning or regarding or about. Similar preposition is au sujet de, it also means the same, concerning, regarding or about. From example you will be able to understand it better. Je vais parler à propos des prépositions. Maybe it could be like aujourd'hui je vais parler à propos des prépositions, or au sujet des prépositions means today, or I am going to talk about the prepositions. Je vais parler au sujet des prépositions. Again the same thing, I am going to talk about preposition, I am going to talk regarding preposition, or I am going to talk concerning the preposition. So after these prepositions you can see that the preposition, another preposition the has been used. So whatever sentence you make, you have to use the with the nouns. Okay, So these compte à propos de, au sujet de, they are used in the similar sense. There is another preposition which is used in the similar sense, and very often they use in the text and all, like en ce qui concerne. En ce qui concerne means again same thing, concerning or regarding. For example, how may I use in the sentence? For example, c'est en ce qui concerne l'examen de français. It is regarding the French exam. If I have to say, I can say that c'est en ce qui concerne l'examen de français. The difference between au sujet de, à propos de, and en ce qui concerne is that here I am not using, we have not used any de preposition after this. So we are directly writing the noun after this with the article L apostrophe, that is a definite article. Okay, c'est en ce qui concerne l'examen de français, it is about the, it is regarding the French exam. So these 3-4 prepositions are used in the similar manner, in the same way. Now next I have taken some other preposition, 2-3 the new prepositions, you can say that, but we have seen its usage in chapter 2 also, like grâce à means thanks to. Okay, grâce à mon dentiste je n'ai plus mal aux dents. Thanks to my dentist I am not feeling pain in my teeth anymore. So grâce à, you have seen thanks to. Then next is jusqu'à means up to or until. Here we can use it for the time duration, like Paul travaille jusqu'à 7 du soir au bureau. Paul works till or up to 7 o'clock in the evening in the office. Okay. Now the next one, last one I have taken is au sommet de. Au sommet de is at the top of. Okay, or at the peak of. So example, here we can see the example. Il a grimpé au sommet de la montagne. He climbed up on the top of the mountain, or he climbed on the top of the mountain. Grimpe means to climb, just like monte. You can write il est tombé, il est monté also. Il est monté au sommet de la montagne. Okay, that's it for the preposition today. The common preposition, you can revise what we have done in class 9th by watching some other videos. Thank you.